Welcome to this week's vlog. It has been quite the week in Welsh politics. I don't think anybody has failed to notice that we now have a new Welsh government in the Senedd in Cardiff Bay. A huge congratulations to all successful candidates and also commiserations to those candidates who have not been successful this time. We have written to everybody, and I want to say thank you very much to those of you who have engaged with us over the past few years. We really do wish you well. Within hours of Llŷr Griffith being announced as the Cabinet Minister covering the farming portfolio, I was delighted to have a phone call with him and reaffirm our commitment at NFU Cymru to work with Llŷr and his team to make sure that we can fulfil the ambitions within our manifesto. And it was really pleasing to see that many of our asks in our manifesto were echoed in the Plaid Cymru manifesto. And we look forward to developing these conversations and really delivering on the ambition of Welsh agriculture. In other news, the Rural Affairs Board has been talking about rural crime this week. They invited Rob Taylor, who is the Welsh Government lead for rural crime, to come and speak to them. It was a chance to talk about the latest successes on the new dog attack laws that have come in. This is something that both Rob and the NFU have been working extremely hard on over a number of years. But it was also a chance to talk about wider rural crime issues and the importance of having a really good relationship between farming communities and rural police forces. So this does lead me on to another announcement that has happened this week by the Sentencing Council. They cover England and Wales, and they have given more power to the courts to put stricter sentencing on those who are found guilty of hare coursing. This does, of course, rely on rural police forces who are able to gather the information that will bring these culprits to the courts and to justice. And it once again highlights that the Glamorgan area is still without a rural police force, and it is extremely important that this matter is addressed. We have some very specific issues in rural areas, and we really do need a dedicated police crime force in every single area of Wales to deal with this. We're also aware that the beef price is starting to fall, and this is causing concerns for a number of our members. Please do have a look on the newsletter and on our website for further information on this and what we're doing. And then finally, I just want to say an enormous thank you to our county advisors and group secretaries throughout Wales who've been working so hard over many months to help farmers get their SAF forms off. We finally made it to the deadline. Thank you very much for your dedication. It's very much appreciated.